Hey friends, so today we're gonna start painting.
So first, sugar soap solution, and I've cleaned everything from top to bottom. Whatever I have to paint, it's all clean. Now the wooden block, some 120 grit paper. I bought it from Tool Station, so that's something. Uh, a brush like this, just something which is not good for painting, and you just need to keep your sandpaper clean. Otherwise, if there is enough dust on it, it will not sand properly. Do not make a rotation standing like this, otherwise you will see some circular marks in your paint. Not very often, but it may. So always go straight. So actually I have the masking tape all around, so that when I'm painting it, I'm not gonna disturb the edges, because I'm leaving these edges as it is, and I'm only putting a gray on the side, this and to the down here, and all this side. So yeah, you may wear a mask, but I'm having my chimney on, so that's taking away all the. I'm using the paints straight from the tin, but because there's only a few left and I'll be finishing it tomorrow. But you should actually take it out in a tub or something and close the new tin. But this is almost finished. Then I'm going to use a bigger brush, same company, Hamilton, to actually do the rest on this side. See the flatness of this brush, it's quite nice. Good morning. Today is 25th December. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a Christmas day, and I'm painting because I got nothing to do. But we are meeting friends this afternoon, so I thought maybe I can do a second coat and get it done. So yeah, I am. This is the first coat which I did yesterday. Now I'm just doing a second coat on top to finalize these features, and then I'll go in garage and put a second coat on the doors as well. So let's see. Yesterday I used the paint straight from the tin, which wasn't a good idea because the the lid of the paint tin, the paint in actually in the lid got all dried up, and it was really hard for me to get the lid back on the tin. Also, I've read that if you open the tin for too long, the paints in the tin will gonna dry, and you may not be able to get it, the viscosity and everything back again. So always a good idea to pour your paint in a plastic tub like this, like a paint tub, and then this is my final coat. So I have to be very good at it because otherwise this is how it's gonna look.
So guys, this was it for this video. So in the next we'll tell you how we prep the doors for the first coat and the second coat, sanding and cleaning and all. And yes, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.